Well, some of us picked up some rain for the first time in nearly 2 weeks yesterday. Not everyone, but some locations did, thanks to a few of those pop-up showers and storms we had around. And we'll do that again for today during the afternoon and early evening hours. Still watching the potential for severe storms in the afternoon on Thursday. It is a very narrow window. We'll talk about that. And gusty winds both Thursday and on Friday. So big picture this morning, a couple areas of low pressure out to our west. Not really going to do much to our weather today. We're going to see just some of those pop-up showers and storms in the afternoon with the heating of the day and those moisture levels on the higher side as well. Those dew points up around 60 or so. But this low pressure and partially this low near Rapid City, that'll be responsible for our shower and storm chances heading into the day on Thursday. Now, dew points again are going to be in the mid 50s to lower 60s for today. Could peak in the mid 60s tomorrow before the showers and storms move through, and then we'll drop it down back into the 40s as we head into late Thursday night into Friday. So let's take a look at future track. And again, we'll start off with the sunshine today, but you see by the afternoon again, pop-up showers and a few storms. You know, again, the future track and radar are not going to look exactly the same, but it gives you the idea that we'll see these randomly pop up during the heating of the day. By the time we get to about sunset tonight, you notice how they'll start to diminish. Now, as we get into Thursday, the forecast is still a little bit of a question mark. So we're going to be watching a complex of storms come out of South Dakota into Minnesota. The trend is for this to move towards Minneapolis and up into western Wisconsin. Some of it actually has it coming through the Coulee region, and that will actually play a role, just like what happened a few weeks ago, in the chances for showers and storms into the afternoon on Thursday. You can kind of see there very quickly, but we could see those storms at least developing near La Crosse and Boscobel and quickly moving to the north and east. And then as we head into the overnight hours, we will actually see maybe a slight increase in the clouds. But some of us will actually stay mostly clear. It's going to still be kind of warm on Friday, but then we'll see the cold front move through a secondary one to bring some showers to the area Friday night. So the HRRR model kind of showing a similar picture for our Thursday. We'll go through today first, and again, this one not showing as much in the pop-up shower and storm department for this afternoon, but I still think we'll have some around nonetheless. Now, as we get into Thursday morning, again, you can see that main wave of storms goes to the north and west. Now, watch closely here because you'll see how we get to about 3, 4 o'clock, and the storms are actually going to develop, at least this model, north and east, and then move away. So there's still some variability on how this exactly is going to play out, but the Storm Prediction Center still has a enhanced risk that's a level 3 out of 5 for the areas here in orange, and then the risk drops to a level 2 farther south and west. Now, should storms develop, hail and damaging winds are going to be the primary threat, though a few isolated tornadoes can't be ruled out with that. And again, the potential with the cold front, again, about 2 to 7 p.m. is kind of that window. The risk is conditional if there's any of those morning showers and storms, and if that lid in the atmosphere, that cap holds, and also how fast the cold front moves through. If it goes through faster, that means the storms will move east and northeast of us. They'll develop and be out of here pretty quickly. But if the storms do develop and track through, all hazards are going to be on the table, so something to keep in mind. And here's a look at the extended forecast.